Imagine a gold rush, but instead of panning rivers, prospectors are blasting asteroids millions of miles from Earth. Sounds like science fiction, right? But the race for space resources is very real, and it's about to collide with a legal vacuum. Who owns the moon's minerals? And what happens when the first trillion-dollar asteroid is claimed? Current technological breakthroughs, SpaceX Starship, and upcoming lunar missions are making space mining viable in the near future. The value is immense: rare earth elements, water ice for fuel, and a potential economic boom measured in trillions. The cosmic gold rush is no longer a fantasy. It's a business plan waiting for law to catch up. The 1967 Outer Space Treaty asks a simple question: who owns space? It answers with the non-appropriation principle. No nation may claim territory beyond Earth, but does mining count as appropriation or merely use? Spacefaring nations diverge in interpretation, creating a patchwork of permissions and prohibitions. First come, first served looms as a dilemma. Without clear rules, how do we prevent a scramble for resources? A beacon is not a deed. The law, so far, doesn't say what a valid claim looks like in the void. And in this vacuum, ambiguity is a risk multiplier. Intellectual property in space. Who owns the data or designs for a mining operation outside any nation's borders? Does jurisdiction follow the company, the flag of the spacecraft, the ground station, or none of the above? Environmental law in space, preventing contamination, debris fields, and dust hazards. Do we need an orbital EPA? One mistake can see decades of risk. Prevention beats cleanup, especially when cleanup is impossible. Dispute resolution. How do you sue a company operating on an asteroid? New international courts or space-tailored arbitration mechanisms may be essential. Proposed frameworks emerge. The Artemis Accords versus UN-backed initiatives. Will private companies drive legal evolution or be firmly bound by it? Enforcement mechanisms are the crux. How do you police operations without a cosmic police force? Picture this: orbital monitors, transparent reporting, and automated compliance triggers. Standards can align incentives, lowering risk while unlocking investment. In space, rules are infrastructure. Resource abundance could supercharge technology, energy, and access to the solar system. Rare materials become common. Scarcity loses leverage. But the risk of conflict and new geopolitical tensions over extraterrestrial resources is real. Our choices now will echo for generations. Engaging these legal questions today is critical for a peaceful and prosperous space future. The space mining rush is coming. The law we write will decide who benefits and whether we all do.